Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can automatically save your Instagram story to your phone's gallery. Alright guys, here I have my Instagram opened, and if you want to save your Instagram story to your phone's gallery automatically, the first thing you are going to do is clicking on the profile button right here. Then after that, you can click on this button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you just need to click on settings and privacy, and after that you have to find the archiving and downloading setting. You have to scroll down your screen like this. Then this is the settings, so just tap on it. And after that, if you want to save your story to your gallery automatically, you can activate this feature. You can click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay, and right after you activate the feature, anytime you upload your story to your Instagram, the story will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can automatically save our Instagram story to our phone's gallery. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.